Oh, I'm sorry. Didn't see you there. In case you wanted to know what I'm doing, read the title of this video. No, I'm totally kidding, okay? Yes, it's true. I am going to be piercing my own ear. Just one, because first of all, I don't deal with pain very well. And second, I just think that it's a little quirky look if you only have one. I actually have no idea what I'm doing, but like my motto is kind of like, it's not the end of the world if it doesn't. The needle literally just broke off. It literally just broke off of the little like thing that it was on. What do you mean? I'm gonna have to do some deep searching for a new needle. All right guys, I got a new needle. I found it in our sewing kit. I need to apparently heat this for like 2 minutes under the flame. So this is a pretty thick needle, a thick boy. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I've never done anything like this. Has it been 2 minutes yet? All right, that ought to do it. Now we are going to drop the needle in rubbing alcohol and let that sit for 5 to 10 minutes. You see that? There, okay. All right, I'm also supposed to let my, the earrings that I'm gonna use like soak in something. All right guys, the update is that I've been stalling because I'm f***ing scared. But I just got the ice. Oh my god, so I hold it on there for about a minute, it says. A lot of people say don't use ice, but I don't care, I don't want it to hurt. I mean, they say not to do it because it will make the skin tougher, so it'll be harder to get the earring through or the needle through. Oh my god, okay guys, I'm shaking, I'm about to do it, I'm so scared. Do I just like stab it in there? Oh my god, oh my god. Guys, it won't go through. It low-key doesn't hurt though. Like it's like halfway through, I think. I'm not kidding, it's not going in. I'm shaking super bad though, which doesn't exactly help. Y'all, it like doesn't hurt, but it hurts, you know? Oh, there we go. Okay. I'm shaking like crazy. This is totally gonna get infected. Okay, okay. Fast, fast, fast. Whew. I just did that. Oh. But my hands were like all over it, so I feel like it's gonna get infected. Oh. I need a minute to like sit down and collect myself. Alright, sorry if you hear my dad vacuuming. So, like it hurts a little bit, but not to the point where I can really even feel it, but maybe my ear is just still numb from the ice. I can't really tell. My struggles were I literally couldn't get the needle to push through. Maybe it's because I needed something to grab onto that wasn't the actual needle, because there's not like an end thing to it, it's just straight needle. Yeah, that was the only real struggle. And then, I sat on my bathroom floor for a while freaking out because I thought I couldn't get the earring through. And yeah, the earring just wouldn't go in, but that was only like 30 seconds total, and then I eventually got it, so it's fine. If you think it's not going through, just keep pushing it different directions and I think you'll get it. That wasn't that bad. I would totally do that again. So if I decide that I want to do the other side, I'll do it, but that's not happening today. I'm done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm glad that you watched me go through this kind of scary process. Leave a comment below if you have done this before and tell me how it turned out. I actually kind of had fun, and I will see you guys next time.